This video is prepared according to the syllabus of KTU, Course Subject Web Technologies, course code CS368. In this session, we are going to discuss about arrays in PHP that is included in 6th module. So in this session, we are going to discuss about arrays in PHP. So first we will start with the importance of array. That means why we need arrays. Then we will discuss different types of arrays in PHP, that is indexed arrays or associative arrays. Then dimension wise classification, that is 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, like that, multidimensional arrays we will discuss. Then we will concentrate on different array functions. There we can discuss the sorting of an array, that is indexed array, and associative array sorting, that we will discuss. After that, a list of functions, array functions are included in that. That list is also we will just go through, and we will wind up this session. Before we start discussing about arrays in PHP, different types of arrays and all, let me say why arrays are required. Assume that we need to assign a name of some 4 students. Simply we can take 4 individual variables, say student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, like that individual variable we can take and we can assign, no problem. But the problem is, if we have some 1000 students, is it convenient to have 1000 individual variables? It's not at all convenient. So in such situation, what we can do is we can use the concept of arrays. For example, for this 3 individual variable can be replaced using a single variable, and the content what is there that can be stored here like this. This is called an array. So definition wise we can say arrays used to hold multiple values of similar type in a single variable. This is singular variable, multiple values of similar type. Okay, this is about arrays. In PHP, arrays can be grouped into indexed arrays and associative arrays. General two classification. And dimension wise we can classify it as single dimensional or multiple dimension, multidimensional. Now we are going to discuss about other details about arrays. Now we are going to discuss about indexed array, that is also called numeric array. In the case of indexed array, numeric index is used for accessing the array elements. The syntax of array is like this: array name of that index is equal to value. Another possible way is array name is equal to array of that index pointer value. Here array name is the name of the variable. N is the access index number of the element. Value is the value assigned to the array element. That is clear, right? So now this is about the syntax. Now let's see how to create an indexed array. Straight away we can create by assigning array name and its values. That is one possible way. Another way is, as we discussed here, array name of index is equal to value. Array name of index student of 0 is equal to this particular index. Okay. Then student of 1 means this index. Student of, okay, this way we can assign one by one. The index starts from 0. First element, second element, like that. Another possible way is using array keyword. Array of, this is index pointer to Radish. This way also we can assign. Again, second element 1 pointer Satish, Pitish, like that you can store. Now 3 different methods we have seen. Next step is how to display the indexed array. So using for each loop we can display. We know the syntax of the for each loop. There array name as value you need to specify. Okay. So it will keep on iterating and content value will be stored to this particular variable. That just display this variable, that is enough. That echo that variable content will be displayed. That's all. Okay. Another thing is we have number of elements 4. You have to run a loop like this. Student of 0, student of 1, like that. Each and every elements will be displayed. That is also possible. Suppose this value is not known, we can use that count number of elements and count. You consider that as a length. That is also possible. Number of elements we can count using count. This is about indexed array. Next we are going to discuss about associate. Now we are going to discuss about associative arrays. Associative arrays use named keys. Syntax is first syntax is array name key name is equal to value, that is within square bracket you have to specify string. Another syntax is array keyword, array of key name pointer value. This way also we can specify. Let's see some examples. This is the example. First type of one, array name within array Jadish. This is the key, Jadish is the key, equal to 98. 98 is the value, key value pair. This is called key value. Similarly, Sadish, so that means marks of Jadish is equal to this, marks of Sadish is equal to this. That is what the meaning. Another way is we need to specify mark list of Jadish this way also possible. Final thing is using array keyword, how it can be done. Array of Jadish age, Sadish age, Sudish age. This is what the different ways of creating an associate array. Now we will see how to display that array. Here for displaying, this is the format you need to follow. For each, that is array name as key value. This is key, this is value. Okay. So we will get output as first name. Jadish has got how many? 98 marks. Like that one message, output we will get. This is about associative array. Now we are going to discuss about multidimensional array. Multidimensional array is an array containing one or more arrays. See, for example, we need to handle details of some 3 students. So there one array consists of register number of student, name, marks of 5 subjects. This is the content of one array. Similarly, we have 3 arrays. So these 3 arrays we store in another array. Okay, so the content of this thing, internally we have 3 elements. So first element is one array, another element is another array, like that. Again, this array internally, if you see, it has got different values like register number, name, and all. How we can access these elements? That can be accessed like array name, then this index, this row, column. Row in the sense number of arrays, array 1, array 2, like that. Column in the sense for particular values, corresponding values. Okay, so as far as this array is concerned, these are the values. These arrays are. As far as this internal array is concerned, this values, register number, name, marks, and that way. That you need to specify this 0 in the sense register number, 1 in the sense 1 in the sense what? 1 in the sense name, 2 in the sense marks of first subject, that is civil engineering marks. Like that, all you need to specify. This is what the output. So 3 students details are displayed here. This is about 2-dimensional array. Now we are going to discuss about the 3-dimensional arrays. Already we discussed about two-dimensional array, so you have the concept of two-dimensional array. There we have seen that we have an array. In that we have three different arrays. Like there, first array content is register number, name, marks of 5 subjects. Like that, 5 subjects marks we have. Assume that instead of writing 5 different marks, we can have it an array. This is another array. Okay. Now the question is how to access. This is clear, right? This is the main array. Sub 3 arrays we have. In the first array itself we have another. Second array also another array we have, like that. And now let's see how to access this. Name and all, it is easy. That is, register number in the sense that is index first row, first element, first row, first element, first in the sense here 0th element, first row, first element, then first row, second element, first row, third element, second element, here first row, third element. There again one more array is there. Third element is this array, this entire array. Okay, there first marks of first subject. Then similarly first row, third element, marks of second subject. First row, third element, marks of third subject. Like that, all subjects. This is the way we can access. Okay. Now the same output you will get. Same output you will get. See. This is about three-dimensional arrays. Now we are going to discuss about array sorting. PHP has got some built-in functions for sorting an array. Sort or sort, that is for sorting an indexed array in ascending order and descending order. This is for indexed array. Associative array we use a sort, that is for ascending order, and a r sort is for descending order. Here in associative array, sorting will happen by value only. If you want to sort based on the key, you need to use k sort, normal ascending order, and descending order in the sense you have to use kr sort. That is clear, right? That is okay. Now let's see some examples. This is the program. Here sort entire student. If you want to sort entire student, sort that array name you need to specify. Okay, using that can be displayed using for each loop. So before sorting you can display, after sorting also you can do that. It is also possible to display using for loop, but we need to find out that loop control, in this sense maximum number of elements in that array we should know, then only we will be able to do that. That can be done using array count, number of elements count method. Using count we can do that. Count that array, you need to specify number of elements that will return, that is the length of the array. Using that easily you can execute. So maximum element we have, that initialization we have, that simply you need to execute, and the index you need to specify. Okay, this is about array sorting of what? Indexed array. Now we are going to discuss about associative array sorting. Associative array, we have seen that based on key or value we can sort. This is an example of that. That is, marks of Radish is 98, marks of Satish is 58, like that. So we have, this is key, this is value, this is array name. Okay, so what you have to do is, array name you need to specify. So what you will get here, first thing is before sorting. Before sorting, it is like this. This has got 98 marks. Okay, same thing. See here, display is using _r. This is the output. _r is used for displaying. This is simple program. See, same program only. I have used different statements for displaying. That is the thing, because all I am explaining in a single program. _r, if you use, output will be like this. Using ordinary echo, in the sense, output will be like this. This is the difference. Okay. So before sorting, before sorting in the sense, this is what the thing. Now after sorting, what is the thing? Now Satish, the first. Why Satish has come to first? Because Radish should come first now. Why? Because this is based on value. Sorting will happen based on value. See, 56, 58, 76, 98. Based on this value only sorting happen. That is why this is displaying Satish first, Satish, Radish, like that. Suppose you want to start based on key, you need to specify key sort. See, this is based on key sort. Okay. Using key sort, we have used here. Now what happened? Based on the key, that has been sorted. So Radish has come first. So this like this. This much is clear now. This is same thing only I have displayed using print underscore r. That is the difference. Just for understanding. This much is clear. This is about associative array sorting. So array sorting function we have discussed. Similarly in PHP we have different array functions. So this is the list. Just go through all other functions one by one. So function name and the corresponding descriptions are included. So you please go through all other things. This is one slide. Another slide we have these functions. This also you just go through. Another functions are listed here. Then again these are the other set of functions. So you please go through all other things. These are the references I used by preparing this material. Thank you for watching my video.